he goes there. Yeah. Next year we'll have 2 kayaks and we're going to cross this. And there's a channel up behind that ridge there. See it outcropping there? There's a channel that's fed by them glaciers up there. And it's right behind there. And a float plane went in there today. And kayakers and paddleboarders that have come from way down have been going in there. So let's just say it's right behind there, that we're intrigued to check it out. But that's a day trip, and you got to make sure you can make it. If it gets windy, you'll have to spend the night on the other side, which is fine. We got gear, and then, yeah.